Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students. Dear students, our today's topic is Chapter 1, Part 2. And today we also do some knowledge based question of this chapter. Let's see today's topic. Our topic is Chapter 1, Part 2, and today we will do knowledge based question of this chapter, and this is lecture number 2, and our today's HW number is also 2 number. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, in our previous class we have already read some part of this chapter. Today we will start from this page. This is 6th number page, and here is International System of Unit. There exist various systems of unit of measurement. For example, the question, what is your height, can be answered in a number of ways. Usually, may answer this question by saying the length such as 5 feet 4 inch. Again, while filling in the form of the passport or national identity card, we have to mention our height, and we write our height as 1 meter 67 centimeters. What does it mean? There are various systems of unit for measurement. These are conventionally named as meter, kilogram, second, foot, pound, second, and centimeter, gram. Second system, and these different system of unit are followed in different countries of the world. That means different countries would see different unit to measure the same quantity. Considering the problem caused by this difference in unit of measurement, one common system of unit was introduced for all the countries of the world in 1960. This is known as SI, or International System of Unit. In this system, one particular unit is fixed for a quantity of all physical quantities. For example, as per the SI, the unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, the unit of the time is second, and the unit of temperature is Kelvin, the unit of electric current is ampere, and the unit of luminous intensity is candela, and the unit of amount of substance is mole. These are known as fundamental unit. Unit of length. At present, International System of Unit is used for measurement of length. In this system, the unit of length is meter. In 1875, the scientists of different countries sat together and fixed the length of 1 meter. They marked both the end of a rod made by mixed metal of platinum iridium. They fixed the distance between those 2 points at 0 degrees Celsius as 1 meter. The multiple and submultiple of length unit. When we measure the length of a cloth, a table, or a room, then we use meter as a unit. But to measure the length of a pencil, we use centimeter. Again, when we measure the thickness of a coin, we use a smaller unit than the previous one, and that unit is called millimeter. On the other hand, while measuring a long distance, for example, the distance between Dhaka to Sylhet, we use the unit kilometer. The uses of kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter are frequently found in our everyday situation. The relationship among these units are shown below. Students, you have to memorize this table. Here is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Now come to here this page. This is 7 number page, and lesson 7, unit of mass. As per the International System of Unit, the unit of mass is kilogram. In short form, it is written as kg. The fixed mass kept in the office of International Association of Weight and Measurement, situated at Savro in France, is considered to be the standard of kilogram. The unit of smaller mass is gram. On the other hand, in case of measuring big bodies, quintal and metric ton are used as unit. And here is 1 metric ton equal to 10 quintal and 1 quintal equal to 100 kilogram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Now, unit of time. The unit of time is second in all the system of units. But the multiple unit of second, for example, minute, hour, day, month, year, etc., rather than second itself is used more in our real life. The time taken by the earth to rotate once round its own axis is equivalent to 1 day. The 1/24 part of a day is 1 hour and the 1/16 part of an hour is 1 minute. The 1/16 part of a minute is our fundamental unit of time, that is 1 second. Hence, 1 day equal to 24 hour, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now, lesson 8 to 9. Measurement of length, mass and time. Come to here, students. Here is the task. Set a stick vertically in your school ground in the sunlight as shown in the figure. You will observe that a shadow of a vertical stick is formed. Now put a mark at the end point of the shadow and record the time using a clock. Go and observe the shadow after each period, but put a mark at the end point every time you observe and write the time. In this way, make a sun clock by making the shadows of the sticks every 1 hour and keeping a record of the time when the shadow was marked. With this sun clock, you will be able to tell the time by looking at the position of the shadow. Now, lesson 10, area and its measurement. Put your class 6 mathematics book on your study table. Now, you try to see how many books of similar size can be placed side by side on the table. Again, can you tell how many tables of the size of your study table can be accumulated in your reading room? Are you confused thinking how to solve this problem? In fact, you need to determine the area of your study table in order to solve this problem. By measuring the area, you will be able to know how much space is occupied by the surface of the table and the floor of the room. In order to measure the area, you are to multiply the length with the breadth. Hence, area equal to length multiply breadth. Now, lesson 11. Volume and its measurement. It is generally comprehensible that your geometry box occupies lesser space than your science book. Again, 2 bricks occupy more space than that of one. The space occupied by a body is known as its volume. So, we can say that the volume is the geometry box is less than that of the science book, or the volume of 1 brick is less than the volume of 2 bricks. To get volume, we are to multiply the area with the height. And come to here, here is the volume equal to area multiply height equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. In international system of unit, the unit of volume is cubic meter. The space occupied by a cubical body of 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth and 1 meter height is equal to 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter equal to 1 meter multiply 1 meter multiply 1 meter. In CGS system of unit of volume is cubic centimeter. In short, it is cc. The volume of the liquid is measured in liter. 1000 cc equal to 1 liter. 1 cc is also called as 1 milliliter. Hence, 1 liter equal to 1000 cc equal to 1000 milliliter. Measuring the volume of solid of different size. It is easy to determine the volume of regular shaped body like brick or classroom by measuring their length, breadth and height and multiplying them. But how the volume of a body irregular shape can be determined? Thus, first we will measure the volume of a regular shaped body so that we become confident about using this method through verification. Tie a rectangular piece of brick with a thread. Now take water in a measuring flask and mark the water level. Keep record of the water level. Now immerse the piece of brick in the measuring flask by the help of the thread and take a reading of a water level again. The volume of the rectangular piece of brick can be found from the difference between the two readings. Now, to find out the volume of the rectangular bricks, measure the length, breadth and height of the brick by a scale and compare the two results. Now, immerse two irregular shaped solid bodies one at a time only in measuring flasks to measure their volume. Determine their volume by calculating the difference of the reading separately. Now here is a precaution. Students, you can read this precaution by yourself and you can do this experiment by yourself at your home. Now come to here, this is page number 10. Lesson 12, determination of the volume of liquid. Usually we use a line marked measuring flask to determine the volume of a liquid. Use the measuring flask below to measure the volume of liquids is the other cylinders and write the result in your notebook. Measurement of temperature. Probably you are familiar with the word temperature in various ways. For example, the day's temperature is reported in television or radio news. Moreover, we have to often measure the temperature of someone suffering from fever. As per the International System of Measurement, the unit of temperature is Kelvin. However, Celsius or Fahrenheit unit is widely used all over the world till now for practical purposes, especially to determine day's temperature or fever. Students, now we will solve some knowledge based question with answer. Here is 1 number knowledge based question is what is the unit of length? Answer is the international unit of length is meter. What is candela? Next is what is candela? Candela is the unit of luminous intensity in the international system. Next is what is science? Answer is science is knowledge related to nature and natural phenomena which is obtained through observation and experiment. And 4 number what is measurement? Answer is to determine the quantitative feature of something is known as measurement. 5 number question, what is SI unit? Answer is the common system of unit for measurement in all countries of the world is called SI unit. 6 number question, what is experiment? Answer is experiment is an important method of gaining new knowledge and in science. 7 number, what is volume? The amount of space taken by an object is called its volume. 8 number question, in which temperature thermometer there is marking of 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit? Answer is clinical thermometer. And the 9 number question, what is quantity? Answer is anything that can be measured is called quantity. 10 number, what is the full form of SI? SI means International System of Unit. Now students, I will give you SW. This is our 2 number SW. And your SW will be, here is from 11 to 15. Find knowledge based question. You will make this answer by yourself. Question is given here. What is cc? 12 number. What is cubical body? And 13 number. What is mole? And the 14 number, what is the international unit of temperature? And 15 number, what is derived unit? Students, you will make this answer by yourself. It will be your SW. So your 2 number SW will be knowledge based question from 11 to 15. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your essay SW in your SW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.